Today marks the Indian Christian Day, or the Yeshu Bhakti Divas, an annual day of remembrance for followers of the Lord Jesus Christ in India, to celebrate the person and message of Jesus Christ, which was brought to India in 52 AD by one of his 12 disciples, Saint Thomas the Apostle. This is a significant day for the Christians of India, as it marks Apostle Saint Thomas' journey to India after the resurrection of Jesus. This day is observed globally as Saint Thomas' Day, which commemorates the martyrdom of the Apostle in 72 AD near Chennai. I am extremely happy to be a part of the celebrations this year to pay our tribute to Apostle Saint Thomas, and I urge each of you to continue to work together as messengers of Christ, steadfast in our commitment to lead and serve our people with love and compassion, to raise this country and to uphold each other through prayers and fellowship. May God bless each of you, and may God bless India. Thank you, Matela, Khublei, and Jai Hind.